So today is handover day, and we are here at my new house. This is the first time I'm going to have a look at the whole place completely done up, so join me. Okay, so this is a digital lock. I really like it because you can put in the numbers or just use a handle. So, oh my god, guys! This is amazeballs! Okay, as you can see here, this is the TV console. So my console has lighting underneath, makes the whole space look more spacious, larger. Okay, so now we're moving into the kitchen. Okay, I'm really impressed. I'm really blown away. Because, you know, I've always thought that the counter should be the highlight of the space, and in this case it is. It's from, if I'm not wrong, I think it's from the Decor collection. So just look at how beautiful it is. Now it looks like rusted steel, but that was exactly the look I was going for. Wondering what's behind this big cabinet? Well, let's open it, shall we? And underneath here, that's my washing machine. So when you don't have to use it, you can close it up. Brilliant. Okay, so this is my backsplash. I went with this interesting hexagonal design. And I took the colors of the countertop and then had them choose tiles in the same kind of tone. Okay guys, so there's a little bit of a story with this fridge. I actually purchased it from Harvey Norman at the outlet store, and it's a Fisher & Paykel fridge. I like it because of its clean look. It's got a very industrial kind of look to it, and the other thing is I was looking for a fridge that could open this way. Yep. Because as you can tell, we were having some trouble with fridges that open the other way, and there are fridges that allow you to customize which way you want the door to swing. So just so you know. Anyway, back to the story. We were still renovating the space when the fridge arrived, so we didn't really unpack it. It was only towards the end of the renovation period, when the workmen were unpacking it, that they found a huge dent on the side. So naturally I was angry, but I also understood why it would have been too late to get an exchange for it, because, you know, as homeowners, the onus is on you to double check any deliveries that's been made, and once it's been signed for, you know, the responsibility is all in your hands. So my mistake, I wasn't present when the fridge arrived, so I never got to check it thoroughly. But the nice people from Harvey Norman, as well as the nice people from Fisher & Paykel, very kindly understood my predicament, and after some explaining, they decided to exchange the fridge. So thank you, nice people at Fisher & Paykel.